Annemarie Wiley has pulled the plug on her 12-year marriage to Marcellus Wiley following his domestic violence battery arrest, Us Weekly can confirm. According to court documents obtained by Us, Annemarie, 42, filed for divorce from Marcellus, 51, in Los Angeles on Monday, July 6th, citing irreconcilable differences as the reason behind their split. The pair married June 18, 2014. The pair share 3 children, son Marcellus Jr., 10, and daughters Aria, 7, and Olivia, 6. Marcellus also has another child, daughter Maraca, from a previous relationship. Annemarie is filing for legal and physical custody of their kids, and no visitation at this time. She also requested spousal support and attorney's fees coverage. Annemarie also filed a request for a domestic violence restraining order against Marcellus. She also asked the court for the order to protect her children as well. In her declaration, Annemarie accused Marcellus of continuing an escalating pattern of physical violence, sexual abuse, verbal and emotional abuse, financial control, and intimidation, much of which our children have witnessed. As Us previously reported, Marcellus was arrested on Saturday, July 4th, for his alleged role in a reported altercation with his wife during a stay at a Marriott hotel in Florida. Annemarie told police that Marcellus claimed he was going to kill her after he had put his hands on her, per her witness statement. She also claimed the ex-NFL player used one finger to sternly and intentionally poke her in the cheek in front of one of their daughters the morning before his alleged threat. The former Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star told officers that Marcellus had an unreported history of violence toward her, and she planned to divorce him when they got home to California. Marcellus denied the claims, but police determined there was enough evidence to establish probable cause and arrest him for alleged domestic violence battery. The court issued a no-contact order against Marcellus on Sunday, July 5th, prohibiting him from contacting Annemarie. He was also ordered to stay at least 500 yards away from her, their marital residence, and her place of employment. Annemarie is a nurse anesthetist in Beverly Hills. The conditions of Marcellus's release obtained by Us outline that he cannot possess any weapons or firearms and must maintain a separate residence from his estranged spouse. The documents did, however, note that he can return to their home one time with a police escort to collect his belongings. Marcellus recently sung Annemarie's praises, thanking her for his children in a sweet Instagram post to commemorate Father's Day last month. My greatest blessings call me Dad. Maraca, Marcellus Jr., Aria, and Olivia. Thank you for giving my life its deepest purpose and greatest joy. And to my father, thank you for showing me what real love looks like. Always present, always available, always reliable, his post read. No tough love, just strong love, the kind that shows up, stays consistent, and never lets go. Forever grateful for my family. Thank you, and for the itty-bitties, Marcellus wrote. Us reached out to Annemarie and Marcellus for comment. Annemarie joined RHOBH as a full-time cast member on season 13, but only lasted 1 season as Bravo did not ask her back. I just got word today that I will not be returning to the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. To say that I'm disappointed is an understatement, she wrote at the time of her departure. During her time on the show, she was forced to defend her husband after he was accused of being transphobic for saying that transgender female athletes don't belong in women's sports. Annemarie also defended her former spouse after Marcellus ranked her a so-called 8.5 out of 10, referring to his estranged wife's appearance.